Hey guys, it's Missy Mouse, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my split dye with the semi-permanent green and ebony hair dye. Currently, I have the 3-in-1 pink and blue shampoo and the ebony dye on the left side. Today, to remove the remaining color from my hair, I'm going to be using the Punky Color Off. So I'm going to show you guys what comes in the Color Off box. We're just going to open this up. And it does come with an applicator brush, a couple of hair sponges, your developer, activator, gloves, and Interbond. So here we've already mixed our color off. Okay, so I'm going to start off by separating the hair. I usually start with the roots and the top as it's usually the darkest or the strongest. So I'm just going to take some of the color off and apply up at the top. Okay guys, we just applied the color off and it is already lifting so well. Here is the progress. It's been about 10 minutes. And it already looks super great. So as you can see, it's been completely lifted. We're gonna go rinse this out real quick and put in the Interbond, and it should just be a moment. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like with the color off. It lifted quite a bit. And now we're gonna put in the semi-permanent spring green. So this is our spring green, and on the other side, we're gonna go ahead and apply the ebony dye. So with the spring green and ebony in, we're gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes. So this is the final product, and I have spring green and ebony in my hair. This is how I do my split dye.